Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Oh shoot. There we go. As you can see, our crops are ready to harvest. So, what we're going to do, hop in the combine, start this bad boy up. We got this nice little path, dirt path we built in here. We just throw some dirt in here so you get to the field a little bit easier from that way. If you come over here, I already got this tractor right here with the cart on it. The semi's right here. I'll start them up whenever we get later back there in the other fields when this tank gets full. It shouldn't get too full pretty quick. It's pretty big. So we're going to turn on the header, harvester. Wait. Oh, that's that. Oh, I see doors over there opening. Okay. I'm just going to go just right down here. Just like that. Holy, there's a dip there. I can see the water sitting in there. And there's a pretty big dip there in the middle of that field. We're averaging about halfway there. So probably around like, I don't know. I mean, it's a little bit green there, so it could be in the hundreds. It's looking pretty good. Yield monitor down there. It's looking very good, this field. Oh, there's some more dip in here. Got any water? No, I don't see any water. That's good. There is some water there, though. That might not be too good. We won't have to leave that for a little bit later. Hopefully it dries up. I checked these beans were pretty dry, but I don't know about down there. Okay, once I get this passed done, I'll get the tractor out here with semi. These are looking pretty good, though, for beans. Looking pretty freaking good. Okay. Ooh. Don't get hit by that. Okay, let's hop in. Good. Clear. We're just going to pull it right out here in the field. Just like that. And I'm just going to semi fired up and throw it alongside the field. Don't know how much we're going to be using this, but there we go. Get that off. Just like that. We're just going to leave it right there. Let me just go through the beans real quick. Thought I saw some water down here. If I'm mistaken, no, we do got some water. They're a little wet. And as you can see, we got water down here. So if I had to guess, they're probably a little bit wet there. This tree's going to annoy me because it's right there. So I'm going to have to cut that tree down. Ooh, I cannot see whatsoever. I gotta back up. I gotta bring this thing up and back it up. Okay, if we got water in this field, I wonder what other fields are going to be like. Oof. Let me just quickly look down here on my radar. Looks good today until night, and it's supposed to rain a little bit. Tomorrow, 68. Not raining, which should be good. November 1st raining, November 3rd raining. Hey, November 3rd is partially sunny there. Parts cloudy, parts sunny there. So that's good. But we gotta get all this done. All of it. It's gonna be a lot to harvest, but we should be able to do it. We should be able to do it. We're just gonna go through the water. You know what? It works. I don't think we're gonna get too much water now. Just a little bit of water. You know what? Might be a little bit bad there, but it still works. You know, better than waiting a couple more days for that to get dried up. The field's not too muddy. And I guess we do got a decent amount of mud hopping off these tires. We left a little bit back there. You know what? It's fine. Just trying not to hit that combine or combine off anything back there. Okay, we got a little bit left in this, and we'll go to that other field. Which these two fields are kind of our smaller fields. There, if I get this thing pulled up. This one in 19. I like this one better, this square. So this field is pretty good. Averaging about like that light greenish. You could always make it better, you know. Because there can always be something we could have done to it. But you know what? For right now, this is pretty good for me. I like how it turned out for this unit field. I don't know about the other ones, but I'm liking how this one's turning out. Okay, let's leave the header on because we're just going to go across the road a little bit here. We should make these a little bit dirt paths so don't get too much of that stuff. I got to stop the combine. Woo! Center down and get going. This field is looking like, ooh, that's good. That green right there is amazing. That's that 125 stuff. That's amazing. Right there, that's amazing. If this entire field can be like that, that's amazing. That's just a middle pass. A little bit on the outside edge. It's not too good. Too far back there, but we gotta go far enough back that we can get turned around. Oh, now it dipped down to yellow. Looks like that middle. Looks like this edge here is not too good. Okay, I'm gonna go up here in this little top area here and try to get this thing knocked out. I'm gonna see how much green we got up here. How much good of that yield we got, how much stuff. It looks like a lot better towards that farmish area, but we also got trees and stuff, which probably are gonna take up a little bit more water, which I don't know, but a lot. Okay, it kind of dips here. So it kind of looks like it's a little bit better. There's a little section back there that's pretty good towards the middle of the field. This little outside edges aren't usually the best, but hey, they're still decent. Well, green. Okay. That's usually not to expect it. I want to see how good that corn does. If this is all green. You know, I'm missing some, but who cares? We're at 30% already. We got a decent little bit in there. Get it on now. I have an entire outside edge. So I'm just going to run it back and forth. Missed a couple there on the outside edge. It's fine. So I'm curious to where this green kind of ends. You know, because it ends way back there. So I wonder if it's like at a slope. Yeah, it's not too bad, the yellow. It's got a little bit of green in it. So we do got a little bit of yellow in that corner, but you know, this is honestly blowing my mind. We got a lot of green, good green. About halfway done with this field, I'd say, in a half a tank. So if I had to guess, all that top little stuff up there should be probably green. According to my calculations of everything surrounding it being green. So this should all hopefully be green, but I don't know. Could be yellow here eventually, who knows. It looks like it was all green, which is pretty good. So hopefully this could be all green. Maybe, possibly, hopefully. Okay, last little strip here. Okay. Looks like so far, according to my calculations, this one I made an $803 profit. And up here I made a $3,000 profit. This field I made approximately $3,000 profit. And the other field over here I made like $800. So far I'm profiting. Good. I'm gonna put the pipe out like that. I'll come get it with the grain cart here, but I gotta go and get my other header, which will require me hopping in my truck. Because I don't have anything else that I could use besides, I guess, the tractor, but it's already hooked up, and I don't really feel like unhooking it. Like that. And I'm just gonna put it just like right here. Holy crap, I forgot about that part. U, enter. Okay, I kind of forgot how to do this now. Oh, there we go, I. Okay, there we go, now I'm filling it up. Okay. I'm gonna shut everything off real quick and I'm gonna go for some lunch because it's 13:29. So I'll see you guys when I get back from lunch. Guys, we're back to the farm right now. Whew, that was a good lunch. Just pulling right around here. I'm gonna leave this thing right here. Time to hop on the big ball of combine. Let's go do some corn harvesting. Okay, got all the hoses and stuff attached here. I'll just come over here. Just like that. Not too good a field here compared to our last field there. So far, so good. mostly red here in this field. We're gonna have this little strip done, and we got the rest of that little bit too. I'm gonna go do that a little all over the field over there. So I'm just gonna come back here and finish this up by getting some of these little stragglers that are left. We're about here at 50% away, and we got a little bit left in this field, so we probably have to dump before we go over to the other field, but you know, it's worth it. Which will probably just dump this right into the truck because the grain cart still has some beans in her, so I'll just dump it right into the truck. Okay, we're done here. We got 6:16. AKA, well, 16:17 now, but AKA it is 4 o'clock roughly. Yeah, 4:17. I know my army time. Back up. Okay, we should be over it. Time to unload. We're gonna unload this, and we should be able to be good. No, we're just gonna go a little bit down there on the road. I'll throw some lights on. I'll be safe. We got some rain in the forecast here. If it does rain, then I think we can just continue going, but we might need to get some stuff. So I'm just gonna leave this right here real quick. We're gonna leave it here. We're gonna unload this and take the cart, but we're probably just gonna throw the tarp on the actual truck. Not too much water there now. We probably should have just started with corn and did the beans a little bit later. Ah, dang it. I hate this. I'm just going to back it up. I'm going to go like this and back it up. Oh, shoot. I'm trying to get close, but not too far, like too close. Ah, that's perfect. And okay. A little bit closer on that edge, but you know it works. She's a spinning. Okay. Actually, no, I'm just gonna leave this right here. Okay. Fold in the pipe here. Turn a little hazard light there. Okay, and we're gonna start heading down the road. I'm just gonna go this way through though. I'm gonna cut through here and hit the road this way. Okay, I'm in a massive combine going on the road. So I gotta keep it over here. I'm gonna drive here until I see a car come, and then we get over. I can go 20 miles an hour, so we should be there pretty quick. But we also got a lot of roads, which means a lot of cars, because these are main roads, sort of. A lot of cars travel through here. Looking good so far. Right there's the field, and I can see it. That looks good. Look around the bend there. Don't see anybody. Okay, that's good. We can just dip right off in this field here. Okay, it's starting up. Let's put this thing down. Okay, let's get moving. Last field of the day. Nice little brisk 72 degrees out here. We are on a little bit of a hill here, which does not help, but hey. Once again, these ones are in the orange. But, oh, should have missed some. It's okay if I miss some, you know. Oh, and here comes the hill. So we're just gonna hop down here and cut right into this field. Not too big of a hill. There's a big hill right there. Like that. Just like so. And go straight through here, just like that. I'm gonna bring this through right through our little path here. What I should have made this path here right a little bit bigger, so it's not the width of the combine. And I'm just gonna turn this thing off. And you know what? I'll do this on my own time here. But that means we're gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.